Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can jump ahead a unit on Duolingo, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Duolingo app. After that, you can see that after each unit there is a checkpoint. And if you want to jump ahead a whole unit, because I don't know, you know these topics like the greetings, travel, people, and so on, you can jump ahead by clicking on the checkpoint. After that, click on the start, and of course, it says that it will not be easy. So yeah, so these checkpoints will cover the previous unit lessons. So it's going to be a little bit difficult, but yeah, if you are sure that you know those lessons and you do not want to waste your time by doing those lessons again, then you can jump ahead by clicking on the checkpoint. And yeah, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.